Another powerful ingredient of unity is to have a wise balance between encouragement and exhortation. In 2 Timothy 4:2 it says, preach the word, be prepared in season and out of season, correct, rebuke, and encourage. Notice those two words together, rebuking and encouraging. That's the balance of a shepherd. That is a person that not only corrects all the time, or not only encourages all the time, but is a person of Christian maturity that can shepherd his or her people. And it says, do this with great patience and careful instruction. May the Lord help you. May the Lord help us to become ambassadors of unity to the body of Christ. Friends, if the church unites, we will win the battle for souls, and entire nations will come to the knowledge of the truth. God bless you.